Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some laundry motivation. So I'm going to be showing you how I do my kids' laundry. We have 3 daughters. They are 9, 6, and 6 months old. So today is just going to be all about their laundry. And I have my raggedy comfy clothes on, and these are the clothes I wear just around the house to clean and do laundry. So if you want to do laundry with me, or if you have some folding to do, then we can just do it together. And for the most part, I'm going to be having some nice music playing throughout the video, but I will be popping in and out to let you know exactly what I'm doing. So right now what I'm doing is I gathered my 2 older girls' clothes, and I'm going through every single item, and I'm looking for stains and just making sure the clothes aren't inside out. So it's summertime, the kids are outside, they're playing, they're getting dirty, they're eating everything and just messing up their clothes. Even when it's not summertime, their clothes are messy, but I just want to make sure that I am getting and treating all of the stains that are on their clothes. So my favorite product to use for that is Shout. I use this pretty much for everything. It's my absolute favorite. So if I see a stain, I just spray it with Shout, and then I start sorting. So I sort a little bit differently than most people, and I actually learned this tip through Jordan Page, who was also on YouTube. I will link her video down below. But I don't sort by colors or lights and darks. I just sort by the types of clothes, so like pajamas or regular clothes or a little bit fancier clothes, and I sort by textures. So if you want more information, you can watch her video, or you can just leave me a comment or question down below. But I also think that I am going to do just a whole video about how I sort, since it's, a little bit unconventional than most people. So make sure that you stay tuned, because I'm also going to be showing you how I wash and sort my 6-month-old baby's clothes as well. All right, enjoy. Thanks. Bye. Actually, not bye. I'll just see you later.
From the city, it's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe, and you deserve to see the world. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. 'Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise, I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise, I'm taking you, paradise.
So just an update, I'm done with my two older girls' first load of laundry, which consisted of their lighter pajamas, their underwear, and their socks. The load that is in the washer right now is their like regular clothes, which is their shorts, their tank tops, their t-shirts, and like lighter cotton sundresses. So that's going right now. I'm going to continue to fold, but as you saw earlier in the video, I did sort through Amori's clothes, which is my 6-month-old, and as you probably also saw, a lot of her clothes also has stains. At the time of this video, she was learning how to eat pureed foods, so it got a little bit messy with the butternut squash and sweet potatoes, but that's okay. The Shout got the stains out pretty good. And then I'm gonna put away these pajamas in just a little bit.
Days of romantic prose and lilac wine. Nights out under the sky, watching stars align. Days of making sweet honey, Melissa. As warm as your breath on my chest, so calm. Now, baby, let the summer breeze carry us away. Let the summer breeze carry us away. Baby, to a place where the sun always shines
if you're wondering why I was hanging up some clothes on pink hangers, some clothes on white hangers, I have a little bit of a system in their closet. They have a walk-in closet. It's a really nice size. So I have Araya's clothes on the white hangers and her clothes are on the higher shelf because she's older and taller and able to reach them. Ava's is on the pink hangers and hers is on the lower shelf, as you'll see in just a little bit, because she's younger and shorter. So I'm hanging up their clothes right now, but they also have what's called play clothes, and those play clothes are folded up in their drawers, and those are the clothes that they can wear outside and they can mess them up or get them dirty. And I don't have a problem with that if I have to throw them away because they're a little bit cheaper, but they're just so active right now and they're into everything. So I prefer them to wear their quote unquote play clothes outside, just in case it does get messy. It's okay. And the clothes that are hanging up are like their nicer clothes, you know, for school, or, you know, if we are going somewhere, or, you know, anything along those lines. So just wanted to come on and explain that for you guys.
Life is funny and sometimes strange. It seldom turns out the way you think. But if you want some good advice, I can offer this small wink. You'll find that a little goes a long way. A little goes a long way. A little goes a long way for love. A little goes a long way. A little goes a long way. A little goes a long way for love. If you are so lucky as to find someone with whom to spend your every day, that's in itself a journey, a lifetime of endless study, and you won't master it anyway. But know that a little goes a long way. A little goes a long way. A little goes a long way for love. A little goes a long way. A little goes a long way. A little goes a long way for love. And maybe bring your flowers on a weekday. Go see an old matinee. Find out what her heart is dreaming of. Make plans for a holiday. You can find your own getaway. A little goes a long way for love. You should know that a little goes a long way. A little goes a long way. A little goes a long way for love. Love, love, love. A little goes a long way. A little goes a long way. A little goes a long way for love. Baby, a little goes a long way for love. Yeah, yeah. A little goes a long way for love.
Okay, that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm about to finish up with Amori's whites right now. I'm about to fold those, and then her last little load is in the dryer now. And I was so tired by the end of all of this that I had still one more load for Ava and Araya, and it was like their jeans and their hoodies and like their just thicker clothes, and I didn't even do it that day. I ended up waiting until the next day just because I was so tired after all of this. So thank you if you are here still at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you guys enjoy this type of content, of course make sure that you let me know so I can continue to do more, and also subscribe and we can do some more laundry together. All right, have a good day, guys. Bye.